thank you for coming to the Komori Digital OnDemand Zone, where we are delighted to show you for the very first time Komori's digital inkjet presses. Now, Komori is the only manufacturer to merge its digital innovations with its own world-respected press technology. And the result? Unbeatable digital print quality, total reliability, and optimum system integration. Now, this is the Impremia IS 29. The I stands for inkjet, the S for sheet, and the 29 is for 29 inches. Now this, the world's first UV sheet-fed inkjet digital printing machine, is a 1200 DPI perfector. And it's compatible with a wide range of substrates up to a maximum sheet thickness of 0.45 millimeters. Now here we have the Impremia IW 20. The W is for web and 20 is of course for 20 inches. On the IW 20 you just use ordinary paper. Nothing special is required. And you can choose from 3 different resolution levels up to the highest of 1200 DPI. But that's not all. Also available from Komori is an additional model, the Impremia C80. Now that's displayed in the CMS DoNet zone in the centre of our main stand just behind you. It's a toner type printer supplied by Konica Minolta on an OEM basis. Now we're demonstrating this using the Komori Color Simulator to colour match the HUV print on our Lithrone S29 offset press. Now in offering you these 3 digital printing machines alongside our offset presses and with our colour matching software, we're giving you the tools to respond competitively to all markets now and in the future, whether that be short run, long run, print on demand, or specialist fields. But we also do recognise that we ourselves need to continue evolving. And our answer is to become a true print engineering service provider, always able to meet the ever-changing and diverse needs of the industry. Now, in these 2 newly developed Komori inkjet machines, you get the best of both worlds, because they carry all the latest digital technology, plus all the key features taken from our offset presses, such as reliable, efficient sheet transport, system automation, and short make-ready software. So now, let me give you some more information on the Impremia IS 29 sheet-fed machine. High image quality from a resolution of 1200 by 1200 DPI, the quality finish of an HUV style ink, 4-colour printing at a maximum printing speed of 3,300 sheets an hour single-sided and 1,650 sheets an hour two-sided. A maximum sheet size of 530 by 750 millimeters, and the versatility to accept a variety of paper grades, including non-coated and coated papers. Okay, so let's start our print demonstration on the IS-29 by printing a single-sided job at 3,300 sheets an hour and at 1,200 DPI. Now, at that resolution and that speed, this is one of the world's fastest B2 sheet-fed inkjet digital printing machines. So, Endo, would you be kind enough, please, and print the first few sheets for us? Thank you very much. Now, paper is now feeding and is transferring down the suction tape feeder board. If you look at the TV image, you'll be able to see how the sheet is delivered. And also, just to remind you that by using Komori's K-Color Simulator, both the IS-29 and the IW-20 can output digital colour which matches the highest quality offset press standards. So single sides are now being delivered. Endo and the team will show them to you. And then we'll change to double-sided printing And we'll run at 1,650 sheets an hour. Thank you, Endo. Now, to change a double-sided print, Endo simply has to send an easy command. In around 5 seconds, the IS-29 will be printing on both sides of the sheet. Thank you, team. Now, changeover back to single side is just as quick. So production schedules can be completely flexible. Also, for double-sided printing, sheets are fed intermittently. So our one pass, double-sided printing is almost completed, and the sheets will be delivered completely dry. Endo's just going to get those ready for us, and then Endo and the team will show you our second job. Thank you, Endo. Now, this Komori IS-29 gives outstanding capability to handle many different types of paper, from thin to thick. So don't think it's just for commercial printing, because this is suitable for a wide range of jobs, including labels and packaging. Thank you, Endo. Thank you, team. Here's our double-sided print. Thank you. So now, let me introduce you to our Impremia IW20, our web-fed inkjet digital printing machine. Now, this features the very latest quick make-ready and paper waste reduction technologies developed through Komori's in-depth knowledge of web offset manufacture. A choice of 3 modes which you select based on job quality, so that you could print at 75 or 150 meters per minute, output at 600 or 1200 dpi, and with 2 or 4 gradations. And also, we're developing a special inkjet ink so that in the future you won't be limited to using special papers. So with so many typical Komori press features and so much versatility, we're certain that the Impremia IW20 can open up many new business opportunities for you. So we're going to start our print demonstration on the IW20, and we're going to run pages from 3 recent issues of the Komori magazine on press. We're going to run at 1200 dpi. Now, the job data has already been loaded into the database, and the 3 jobs will automatically progress under the control of Smart Sequence. And we expect to show you the finished job in not much more than 1 minute. Now, the screens above will show you the sheet transportation technology that we use on the IW20. So the flow from the Komori manufactured unwinder to the inkjet unit is very similar to the one we use on our web offset presses. The paper is printed, then dried, and then passes into the variable cut-off sheeter, which is also made by Komori. Now here, the ultra-hard cutter operates at a maximum cutting speed of 500 sheets per minute before the sheet then finally moves into the delivery stack. Now, in a moment on the screen, you'll be able to see the final stage of print preparation, and you'll be able to watch that live thanks to our camera feed, which is located at the side of the variable sheeter. So the inkjet head is now moving from the standby position to the print position. The head is now in the print position, and so printing will start. But on the video, you can also see that the printed material moves immediately to the sheeter for cutting. Now, job-to-job adjustments to the cut-off lengths are made automatically, along with all other job presets, using the same KHSAI automatic make-ready technology as you'll find on Komori offset presses. But it's the Komori capability to take tried and tested technology from our own offset machines over to our digital machines which set Komori apart from other manufacturers. So as I said, on this Komori IW20 digital web, the printing of the on-press magazine will be finished very quickly. But on the screen, you can now see how smoothly the sheets stack in the delivery. So I think we've got a few more moments, and then Tori and the team will show you the sheets. Here we are. Thank you, Tori. So here we are. Tori and the team, thank you very much. Here are our finished sheets. Now, this IW20 is just one of a wide range of models we plan to offer in our digital inkjet web range. Plans are in progress to bring you double-sided machines, as you can see on the screen, and these include options for roll-to-roll, roll-to-sheet, roll-to-saddle stitch, and roll-to-perfect binding. So how about that? This IS29, the IW20, and the C80 are just the first of the digital on-demand solutions you'll see from Komori. Because our bank of knowledge, built over many years in manufacturing sheet and web offset systems, is now combining with the latest digital technologies to give you added value that simply you can't find from other companies. Now, development of both the Impremia IS29 and the IW20 is being advanced for a market launch next year. But in addition, sales of the Impremia C80 toner-type machine will begin here at this drupa. But our aim is to continue focusing on solutions which benefit our customers. And our evolution into a print engineering service provider assures you of our support, whatever these solutions may be in the future. Now, please do come and take a look at the samples which were produced by the Impremia IW20. And just over here, we have the samples which were produced by the Impremia IS29. Please do come and take a look. Any questions you may have, then Tori, Endo, and indeed any member of Komori on the stand will be more than happy to help you. But ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching our demonstration. Thank you.